Welcome to this video. Today, I'll show you how to install Jupyter Notebook in Visual Studio Code. First, make sure you already have Python installed on your computer. If you don't have Python, go to the official Python website, download the latest version, and install it on your operating system. Once Python is ready, open Visual Studio Code. The next thing we need is the Python extension for VS Code. To install it, go to the Extensions view by clicking on the square icon on the left sidebar. In the search bar, type Python and select the extension developed by Microsoft. Click Install. This extension is essential because it adds support for Python and Jupyter Notebook features in VS Code. After installing the Python extension, you also need to install the Jupyter extension. Now, let's create a new file. To do this, open a new file in Visual Studio Code. After that, Visual Studio Code may prompt you to select the type of file you want to create. Choose Jupyter Notebook from the options provided. Once the file is selected, you can start typing your code. For example, try this simple code. When you run your code for the first time, Visual Studio Code may prompt you to install some additional components required to run the code. Make sure to install them, as they are necessary for executing your program. Once the code runs successfully, save the file with the .ipend extension. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Bye-bye.